As we kick off 2026, we have a new series called Precision for What Matters Most. And in this series, we are going to bring to life the innovation and customer stories within our operating companies. And I am here today with the Qualitrol team and Joe, who is our VP of Global Sales for Qualitrol. And I can't wait for you to hear about some of the innovation and customer stories right here.
Thank you, Tammy.
Let's start with, what does Qualitrol do and who are your customers?
Qualitrol is a supplier of sensors, monitoring solutions, as well as systems that keep the grids and lights on in North America and around the globe. Our customers are mainly utilities and also the manufacturers of critical assets such as transformers, motors, and generators. So we are involved in the grid from the beginning, from generation to the substation, all the way down to your neighborhood.
So when I think about it, Joseph, Qualitrol helps keep the electrical grid up and running all over the globe. And so when I flip the lights on at home, Qualitrol plays a role in that.
Correct. We're in a unique position working together with suppliers of these critical assets and the end users of the critical assets.
So maybe talk a little bit about the role that you play in grid modernization.
So we sit between the manufacturers of all those assets and the users of all those assets. And we're in the middle, and we provide the sensors, the monitoring, and the information that the users need in order to make sure that these assets last a long time. Obviously, our technology has to be upgraded and updated through that cycle, and people have successfully deployed our technologies in order to provide that reliability and availability of those assets.
So let's shift gears to customers. That's the core of our series here, is learning about customer innovation, a customer win. So walk us through one that you get excited about.
Let's talk about data centers. We've recently won a major specification with one of the data center owners. The project was in Asia Pacific. What we did is we worked with them over a couple of years to drive the specifications for their transformers. And very recently, we got awarded in 2025, we got awarded our first contract. And now this particular solution that we provide is being deployed across the globe for all their data centers. And we did that together with our field service team, together with our technical experts, and obviously the sales team was part of that solution.
Yeah, so you have moved outside your traditional customer base to this new customer base called hyperscalers, and being able to drive growth and win. It's a great story. What I love about your customer win is we took our existing portfolio of solutions and we found a new set of customers, these hyperscaler data centers, but bringing our great solutions to them. So what gets you fired up about 2026?
2026 is an exciting year for us. So we've got new tools to move forward that we're deploying. We've got new products that we're launching this year. And so we continue to go on a customer journey, support them through that, electrification tailwind.
Yep. It sounds like there's a lot of growth in front of us for 2026.
Yes, absolutely.
Helping our customers solve real problems. Well, thank you. Thank you for being with us today. Precision for what matters most. I think you heard the stories through Joseph, what we're doing with the hyperscalers, how we're contributing to our profitable growth strategy, and just learning a little bit more about Qualitrol. I love when I'm in the operating companies, there's so many great stories, and we're going to continue to bring those directly to you.